average 6 months of our life just waiting in line? Well, not anymore. Introducing IQMS, a multilingual queue management app that will let you be in control of your time and not wait in line anymore. Instead of waking up early to go stand in line at your service provider, you can now remotely book your spot before getting out of bed. IQMS will keep you updated with the status of the queue, give you an estimated time needed to get there, and tell you when you will be served. But what if you get stuck in traffic? Not a problem. IQMS can hold your spot for you as you notify the branch of your delay. In addition, you can provide instant feedback about your experience at your service provider and rate your agent's performance. IQMS by OneCare is an affordable, eco-friendly, and smart solution for your business. It allows you to understand your customers' needs, tell you how long they're waiting in each branch, and also offer you the possibility to take immediate action on your customers' feedback, ensuring happy customers at all times. And that's not all. IQMS also provides you with statistics about the